Hello, I welcome you all to this video. So if you are viewing this for the first time, those of you that have just come to know me, you can please subscribe, like the video, and make sure you are writing down each and everything that I'm going to share with you. This is my official YouTube channel. Okay, so we want to answer this question. These are the questions that just gave the people that are under my online lessons. So you are told to find dy dx of the following. These questions are falling under what we call chain rule of differentiation. So this is chain rule of differentiation. For us to differentiate these two, we need to know the chain rule of what? Differentiation. You need to know the chain rule of differentiation. This is what we are going to use for us to answer these two questions that are here. So starting with the first one, we are going to start with the first one. So you are given this function and you want to differentiate. How can you differentiate that? How can you differentiate this? So the first thing you need to do, you say let. This is what you are going to do. Let u represent what is in the brackets there. Just get what is in the brackets. So what do you have? 3x plus 5, like that. Okay, so after you are done with that, you say, and now y is now equal to what? Since what is in the brackets there is u, so using mathematical eyes, 3x plus 5 is now u. So u is equal to 3x plus 5. So here, this whole thing here, it is what? It is u. So I say u raised to the power what? Power 4. Like this. This is the first thing that you need to do. After you do this, then you differentiate this part. You also differentiate this part. Then you multiply them. So what you need to do is that you are differentiating u with respect to what? To x. So this is du dx is equal to, how do you differentiate this? This is the same as there is a 1 there. You say 1 times 3, that is 3x, like this, power 1. You remove 1 like that. So you say du over dx is equal to, you are going to have 3x power what? 0. But you know that anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So it's just the same as 3 times 1, you get a 3. So you just remove this, because you know that x to the power 0 is equal to 1. So you just forget about the x power 0, like this. So we found the first answer for that. I now go to this one. I move to this one. So what I'm going to do is that this one, I'm differentiating what? I'm differentiating y with respect to u. So this is dy du is equal to what? This is just alone. Here the coefficient is 1. 4 times 1, this is 4. You get u. Then that is 4, you say minus 1. This is what you're going to do. Where you say dy du is now equal to 4u power what? Power 3. This is what you are going to do. So we found two answers here. Dy du is equal to this. Du dx is equal to that. So these are the only two important things that you need to do. After finding these two, so let me do this. After finding these two, the moment you just find these two, you now need to, so let me do this. Let me write them here. Hope you've written down what was there. So this is du dx. The answer there is what? 3. I want you to follow. This is dy du, which is equal to 4u power 3, like that. So let me lab this now. So you've seen now I answered those. After you do this, you write the what? The formula. Which formula are we going to use for us to come up with the answers that we need? So the formula is dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. This is the formula that you need to know and understand. This is the formula for chain law of differentiation. So where you say this is now, the final answer will now be equal to what? What will be your final answer now? What will be your final answer? You say dy dx is equal to what? Dy du. Where is your dy du? Is there 4u power 3 times du dx. Du dx is there, which is a 3. So you put a 3 there. Where you say finally dy dx is now equal to, you multiply here. You say 3 times 4, you get 12. So it is 12u power 3, like that. You now say, therefore, dy dx is equal to 12. You know, final answer, you substitute now where there is u. U is equal to this. What we said when we were just starting, we said u, we rate u to be that. So we bring back our question. U is what? 3x plus 5. You do like this. Power what? Power 3. So meaning that this is your what? This is your answer. This is what you are supposed to do. This is what you need to get and understand. So this is how you needed to do. These are the solutions that you were supposed to get. Hope you've understood this. We move to the last one. This is another question that we want to differentiate using chain law of differentiation. So what are we supposed to do? We say let, the same thing we've been doing, let u be equal to what? What is in the brackets. Your concentration should just be what is in the brackets. 6x squared minus 1. You say and y is now equal to, here we've got a number there, so let us not forget that number 5. Then what is in the brackets? U power what? 3. You've said u is equal to that. So what is in the brackets there is what? Is u. So is equal to that. So from here now, you differentiate this, you also differentiate that. So what you're going to do is that here you are differentiating u with respect to x. So this is du dx, which is equal to, so here what is the answer? You know this times that is 12x. 2 you are getting, you are saying minus 1. So if you remove 1, it becomes 1. So this is your answer, 12x. Then you go to that one. This is dy over du. Dy du, not over. Don't say over. This is dy du. You are differentiating y with respect to u. So dy du is equal to, you multiply there. This times that. 3 times 5, that is 15. Then you've got u there. 3, you say minus 1, it becomes 2. This is your answer. So here, I'm not going to write that formula. I've already given you that formula. So you know that you just multiply these two. The formula, let me write it so that we just follow dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx, like this. This is what you are supposed to do. So you substitute now. Dy du, this is the answer, which is equal to 15u squared times du dx, that is what? 12x. You say dy dx is equal to what? Multiply 12 times 15. What answer are you getting? 12 times 15, you get 180. So it is 180, there is x here. So 180x, then there is what? U, which is raised to the power what? 2, like that. So we are there now, where you now know that the value of u is what? What did we say? U is equal to that. U was equal to this. Like that. Have you seen? U is equal to that. So I think you've seen how I was answering this. Now you just conclude and say this. You just say, therefore, dy dx is equal to 180x. Where there is u, you put that, which is 6x squared minus 1 cross power what? 2. There is a 2, you put power 2 there. So meaning that this is your what? This is your answer. This is what you are supposed to do. These are things that you are supposed to do. So if you are watching this video and you are not under my online lessons, I do offer online lessons. You can WhatsApp me on this number, then I'll be able to help you with mathematics and science. This is my number. This is my number. Or you want to get in touch with me, you can reach me on this same number. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment.